little tight. So where you turned up into the box there, a little bit too far towards the wall. Get parallel to it, but stay a little bit more outside. You're coming in with more speed than I expected you'd be able to. So So what I was telling some other people is, as you're coming through that gate, be conscious of the wall, but don't look at it. You want to be looking down into that box, like way over here.
Right.
And you want to preemptively turn when you think you're just before the point where you can get that straight line.